And welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. I am bringing you this lovely cryptocurrency video right from Westlake Village, California. Today we're going to get into some live trading, so I hope you're excited. And what am I looking at here as I'm missing this trade already? I'm going to take a short right here, 20 Bitcoin short, and boom. Let's see if we can go ahead and get filled. And we just got filled on 20 Bitcoin short. Why am I going to take this position? Well, I'll tell you right now, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to put in my risk, adjust for my risk here. Are we getting filled? We got 14 filled. We've got 5.9 unfilled. And I'm going to show you where I'm going to put my risk, my stop loss and my take profit. And that's the thing here with the trading plan. You can back test. Well, you can certainly survive as a trader in this market. If you don't have a plan, you are just gambling. And here's what I would say. I'm looking at adding a bit more. The range wick highs here. That's where I'm putting the range wick highs. I want to add more. Should I add some more here? I think I will. I'm going to add another 20. I'm going to add another 20 here and see if I can get filled there. Add another 20. So we got 2 in. 2 orders about to get filled or not get filled. Why? The price is just, it's rolling over right now. So go down to the 1 minute chart and see where our little prices are. Are we going to get filled? So 1905 and 19805 and 19816. We got 5 left to get filled right there. Are we going to get it? Maybe not. Maybe we should ladder in a little bit more. Yeah, come on back to us here. That's 1805 and 1816. Come on. Can we get that fill right there at? And that's sometimes what you got to do is ladder it in. Why? Because geez, see, look how quickly you can lose it. So just wanted to get filled for about 27 Bitcoin short here, and then I want to adjust for my take profits here. This could be a quick little trade here down. So here's where I'd put the stop loss and then the take profit right here at the bottom side of the range. But I might want to hold this position a little bit longer. So where would you do that? Right there. So what I like to do is put my horizontals in. And I want to look at my TradingView account and explain why we're taking this trade right now. On the 30-minute time frame, we are putting in several drives of bearish divergence. And what is that? Could we get a little backfill on this candle? That would be nice, and maybe my order would get. But essentially what we have here is the perfect setup in my case, and that's going to be right here. Coming back from this point, we'll have 1, 2 drives. That's only 2 drives. So maybe not the perfect setup. I want three drives of hidden bearish divergence. And that's where price is making lower highs. That's 1, 2. Oh yeah, it is. 1. No, but we can't count that one because it's not a lower high. It is a lower high. Excuse me. So price is making lower highs, RSI is making higher highs. That'd be 1. Could you call that a lower high? Yeah, 2, 3. Anyways, that's going to get us a shot to the bottom side of the range. So your take profit could be right at that Bollinger Band. So how's our position looking right now? Right now, we got $180 profit. Oh boy, we're laughing to the bank right now. The hourly is going to close here in another 30 minutes. So looking at our 30-minute candles here, I am expecting a move to the bottom side of the range. So that would be the take profit with a stop loss here. I think we're personally going to break this line right here. But for this video's purpose, I'm going to go ahead and just show you how I would set this up. Because we probably do bounce off this level at a minimum, right? So, boom, take profit at 19,584. And the stop loss is at 22,0083. And I'll confirm that. So that'd be an $8,000 profit versus an $7,000 loss. Not a great risk to reward, and it didn't exactly fire off. 20,008 take profit at 19,584. And then 20,083. And I'm going to confirm that. And did my order get filled here on Coinbase as well? I'm just going to move the camera slightly over here and see, did it get filled on Coinbase? No, it didn't. No, it didn't. So max. Coinbase is a scam. In case you didn't know that. Coinbase is a scam. It surely is a scam. Why? Their fees are so high. There's no customer service. There's many other venues with many other options. Coinbase just is the household name. So everybody who doesn't know what they're doing, that's what they do, is they use Coinbase. The greatest scam since 1967, since sliced bread. Why are they going to charge you to slice your bread when you could do it yourself? Anyways, why am I putting this position on? I might have made a little mistake here because I only have 2 drives of bearish divergence. This is a confirmed lower high. Lower high. All right, so I'm going to draw this out for you real quick here from this high going back here. And even that's not really even a high. So this might not have been the best setup, but I'm just going to show it to you anyways because I think the market's going down, down, down to doggy town. And what do we have here? So this high, how about this one? We can do it from here. That works. Okay? That works a lot better. So what you'll see here is prices making lower highs. 1, 2, right? 1, 2. And this nice ascending triangle or descending triangle is formulating here. I'm going to take off the Bollinger Bands. And that's usually a nice bouncy region. So bearish divergent. Momentum is crossing to the downside. Volatility is about to tick up. And that is why, and we're getting kicked back into the bearish control zone. So here we go. 1, 2, 3 higher highs, 3 lower highs. And that is in a downtrend, price making lower highs. RSI is making higher highs based on the 3 drive philosophy. That should give us a move to the bottom side of the range, which is pretty significant here. So if I wanted to add a little bit more to this position and my orders are not getting filled, I wanted to be at least 40 Bitcoin deep. We got 31 in. And is there still a threat of a bit of a bounce back up to the green 55 and we put in one more drive of bearish divergence? I think so. That is on the 30-minute time frame. So that's it for today's trade. 9 minutes in. I just wanted to show you that risk to reward setup. Yeah, there's a quick $90 profit in 9 minutes. That doesn't do us much, but what else do we see here on the 4-hour time frame getting rejected off the 9 exponential? That will close in another hour and 23 minutes. And if this level does break at 19,600 on the 4-hour time frame right here. Really, it's 19,478. Any kind of a 4-hour below there, and I'm looking for this thing to come down quite a bit more. And we're coming into those inflation numbers tomorrow. So, and welcome back to 30 minutes later, and I am settling into this trade. I moved my take profit down. Currently running a $34,000 profit. And why did I do that? Well, I added some more to my short. So instead of being about 30 Bitcoin short, I'm now 114 Bitcoin short. Currently more short than the guy in El Salvador is long. Poor guy, running his country right into the ground. Anyways, I wanted to just briefly go over, what my strategy is based on what's going on in the market right now. And currently on so we took a signal right here based on the 4-hour, based on the 30-minute, and having several drives of bearish divergence. Again, prices making lower highs, RSIs making higher highs. That's hidden bearish divergence. And I was expecting a move to the bottom side of the range right here. Now, what happened is I saw that volatility was continuing to increase, and some of the higher term time frames were kind of flashing a bit of a sell signal. So I decided to add more to my position, and you can see I am 114 long at 19,643. So that is coming in right here as we kind of broke this trend line. And I made a YouTube video this morning where I said, hey, look, if Bitcoin breaks below 19,500 on any kind of a 4-hour closure, my next target down is down to doggy town at 17,600. So what am I seeing here? Well, since the higher term time frames are about to close down, we got the silver cross to the downside, and we've got a nice momentous move. Volatility is beginning to increase, and Stokes will remain down as long as we are closing this 4-hour below 19,461. So the question is, now where do I take profits, and where do I minimize risk? And I think this is probably the beginning of a bigger move down. In fact, so I may just be looking to add to this position. And why is that? Well, I'll tell you one thing. It's the US dollar. The US dollar is running to the moon right now. And we do have a US dollar moon signal. Just kidding. But this is just another higher low on the 4-hour time frame. And if we can get any kind of a 4-hour closure back above this guy right here, I'm looking for our next target to get hit at 109. And that would probably be the next time. And so when the dollar hits that target, Bitcoin very likely puts in some kind of a bounce, a relief. And we don't even have any bearish. Yeah, we do have some bearish divergence coming back from here, from this point right here. But I did want to just show you guys, okay, here's how you make a quick little buck playing some of the trends. And it really becomes now, where do I manage risk and where do I take my profits? And I certainly don't want to leave, or have any profits left on the table. And what I'd like to do is actually move. Anyways, where would be my next take profit? Okay, the dollar's rallying. Bitcoin is coming down. It's breaking my trend line. We have 20 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. Do I think we're going to close back above that trend line? No. So where is the next relevant breakdown region? And I just got to go off of prior targets here. So yeah, there it is. There it is right there. So I'd put my take profit right here. And then my stop loss. So take profit at 17,732. And then where do I want to put my stop loss? Stop loss. Based on the 2 hour. Let's see, on the 2 hour. 1 hour. That's where I want to put it. Okay, so it doesn't, there's not a really good spot to put it, honestly. But I would say, based off the 1 hour time frame, and again, we just crossed down, momentum crossed down, volatility is increasing, and we're playing out some bearish divergence, some nice bearish divergence. What is that? Prices making lower highs, RSI making higher highs. And then what's on the other side of bearish divergence is bullish divergence. And what is that? When the RSI is making higher lows. So we will have some bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence in the context of a downtrend. Prices making, oh, this is regular bullish divergence. Prices making lower lows and RSI is making higher lows. So unless we can come down and basically the RSI can get back down below 22, right? If we confirm a local low on the hourly time frame right here, that might look good for a, yeah, so I'll be waiting for a confirmed local low. That's going to be an easy way to manage the risk. Or right here above this guy right here at 19,754. Will that leave me with any profit? No, it won't. So could we use the 15-minute? Are we going to need to bounce right now? Should I just take those profits and run like the wind? That's part of the problem here. Sometimes, sometimes you don't know when to take those profits. So what I will go back down to is the 15-minute time frame where you can see volatility is maxed out. Can it go a little bit longer? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Crossing back up. We're getting a bit of a bounce off of that prior trend line. So this could just be an initial pity bounce right now. What does the 5-minute say? See, volatility is maxed out, the 9 exponential. As long as the 9 is governing on the 5-minute, as you can see, this last momentous move, the 9 governs all the way down. And with what I believe coming in tomorrow with the CPI report and the stock market selling off, look, stocks are down almost 1.2 today, S&P down 1.2, dollar is bullish. CMEs are getting slaughtered here, and that's why I am bearishly biased, and I've been saying it for a while now. So that's it for today, guys. Tune in for some more fun live trading content. And don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, get more notifications when these kind of signals go off. Take care. And don't forget to join our beginner's guide for trading crypto class coming up on July 14th in 2 days. There's a link in the description below. Take care.